Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your iPhone 15 is updated and camera permissions are on. This avoids glitches. Next, open the camera app and select the spatial photo or 3D mode. This tells the system to capture depth data. Once done, choose framing at 1x for wider scenes or 2x for tighter subjects, because distance affects depth accuracy. Make sure photographic styles, or Pro RAW settings, are set before shooting so tonal and metadata preferences carry into the spatial capture. Now compose with depth in mind. Place your subject roughly 1 to 3 meters away so the LiDAR and dual cameras map depth accurately. You should hold the phone steady or mount it on a tripod. Stability reduces motion blur and preserves spatial layers. Tap to set focus and drag exposure to balance highlights and shadows, because correct exposure helps depth algorithms differentiate foreground from background. Capture multiple frames and slightly shift angles to give you options when you review spatial parallax. Finish by reviewing your spatial photo in the Photos app and pinch or tilt to inspect parallax. This confirms depth data was recorded. When exporting, choose Hike or a compatible spatial format so other apps retain the depth layer. Use Pro RAW only if you need advanced edits. If depth appears flat or noisy, retake with more light and a steadier position, and make sure your subject has clear edges contrasted against the background, because poor lighting and low contrast are the most common causes of failed depth capture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.